Hello friends, we are going to solve marginal question and English workshop of the lesson The Necklace. Marginal questions number 1. Why was Mathilde married to a minor official? Answer is Mathilde was a pretty and charming girl born as if by an error of fate into a family of clerk, and that's why she married to a minor official. Question number 2. Why did Mathilde weep with misery after visiting her schoolmate? Answer is Mathilde weep with misery after visiting her schoolmate because she could not get rich dresses, jewelry, or luxurious life, and that's why Mathilde weep with misery after visiting her schoolmate. Question number 3. What did the envelope hold? The envelope hold an invitation from the Minister of Education and Madame Georges Ramponneau to Mr. and Mrs. Loisel. Question number 4. Was the husband a considerate person? How do we know that? Answer is yes, the husband was a considerate person. He had given his saving amount to his wife for purchasing new dress. He wanted to buy hunting gun for him, but he gave the amount to his wife happily. Question number 5. Why was Mathilde sad, restless and anxious though her dress was ready? Answer is Mathilde was sad, restless and anxious because she had no jewels or precious ornaments for the party. Question number 6. What did Madame Foster's large box contain? Answer is Madame Foster's large box contains bracelets, pearl necklace, black satin box with a diamond necklace. Question number 7. Which sentences tell us that Mathilde greatly desired the necklace? Answer is number 1. Mathilde asked her friend, "Would you lend me this? Just this." Number 2. Her hands trembled as she took it. Number 3. Her heart began to beat with uncontrolled desire. Think and answer. Why did Mathilde not notice the loss of her necklace? Mathilde danced wildly with passion, forgetting everything in the trump of her beauty and success, floating in a cloud of happiness. Then English workshop. Question number 1. Read each of the sentences aloud. Write who said it and to whom. A. Look, here is something for you. Mathilde's husband Loisel to Mathilde. B. Why the dresses? B. Why the dress you go to the theatre in? Answer is Loisel said to Mathilde. C. I would rather not go to the party. Mathilde said to Loisel or her husband. D. Choose my dear. Madame Foster said to Madame Loisel or Mathilde. E. You have nothing else? Madame Loisel said to Madame Foster. F. Would you lend me this? Just this? Madame Loisel said to Madame Foster. G. What? How? That's impossible. Mr. Loisel said to her wife Mathilde. Question number 2. Read the conversation in the story aloud using proper intonation. It is homework for you. You have to read this conversation at home with proper intonation. Question number 3. Write a few lines about what Mathilde had and what she dreamed about. Answer is Mathilde was a pretty girl. She liked luxurious life, but she was unable to get that type of luxuries in her life. That's why she was miserable. She dreamed of a grand palatial mansion with vast rooms and inviting smaller rooms, perfume for afternoon chats with close friends. Question number 4. Write What you think about the following thoughts and action of Mathilde? A. Mathilde was beautiful and so she wanted to marry an aristocrat. Every bride wants to marry with wealthy person. B. Mathilde was sad because she did not get any luxuries. Answer is Mathilde was not ready to adjust with his family. She want wealth, fame and luxurious lifestyle. But she can't get that and that's why she was sad. C. Mathilde felt that her house was shabby and poorly furnished. Answer is Mathilde's feelings related to her house was wrong. Her family could not afford new house. She could decorate the house. D. Mathilde wanted another people to envy her. Answer is this is bad thinking. Mathilde wished that people would have admired her dress and jewelry. E. Mathilde was not happy to see the invitation. Answer is Mathilde was thinking about the dress for the party. She was not happy by the invitation. F. Mathilde wanted a new dress for herself. Answer. Mathilde loved rich dresses. So she wanted to buy a new dress for the party. I think she was wrong. G. Mathilde borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend and wore it in the party. Answer. I think that's not good. Borrowing others' valuable things are unfair. It's a risky task. She wanted to look like an aristocratic woman. She thought that the necklace would make her beautiful. So, Mathilde borrowed a diamond necklace. H. Mathilde lost the necklace. Answer. Mathilde lost the necklace because everyone was praising her beauty. She was elegant, gracious, smiling, and full of joy. She was forgetting everything in that party. Question number 5. Prepare a formal invitation using the following format. Mr. and Mrs. Raut request the pleasure of your company on the occasion of the wedding ceremony of their son Ganesh on Saturday, 10th September 2020. Venue, Hotel Mira, Chikhli. Time, 6:30 p.m. Request, no presents. मित्रांनो, आपणास हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, मित्रांना शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब बटन दाबून चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.